In the dim glow of a flickering factory light, a young man named Oliver felt the weight of his monotonous life pressing down on him. Day after day, he toiled tirelessly, surrounded by the relentless clamor of machinery. His hands were calloused, his spirit weary, and his dreams buried under the grime of routine labor. One night, overwhelmed by a sense of despair, Oliver wandered aimlessly through the quiet streets until he found himself at the entrance of the town's library. Seeking solace, he stepped inside and began to browse the shelves. His eyes fell upon a quote by Benjamin Franklin: "An investment in knowledge pays the best interest." The words resonated deeply, igniting a spark of hope within him. Determined to break free from his stagnant existence, Oliver made a decision. He began spending his nights immersed in books, absorbing knowledge on a myriad of subjects: science, history, literature. He used his scant savings to enroll in evening classes, each lesson a beacon guiding him toward a better future. Despite the physical and mental exhaustion and the mockery of his co-workers who couldn't see beyond their own limited horizons, Oliver persevered. He believed in the transformative power of education and knew that his efforts would eventually pay off. As years passed, Oliver's hard work and dedication bore fruit. He earned a scholarship to a prestigious university, leaving the factory behind to pursue a fulfilling career as an engineer. His journey, once marked by despair, became a story of triumph and transformation. Oliver's life was a testament to Franklin's wisdom. His investment in knowledge paid the best interest, bringing not only financial success, but also profound personal growth and fulfillment. His story illuminated the truth that investing in oneself is the most rewarding endeavor, yielding rich and lasting dividends.